dealing with the space debris problem. But how exactly does AI work in mitigating space debris? Well, let's dive right in. AI's strength lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. For space debris mitigation, it analyzes data from radar and telescopic observations to create a comprehensive map of existing debris. With this map, AI can predict future movements of the debris, alerting us to potential collisions weeks or even months in advance. But that's not all. AI also plays a crucial role in designing collision avoidance maneuvers. By simulating various scenarios, it helps strategize the best course of action, minimizing fuel usage and maximizing safety. Beyond active mitigation, AI has its sights set on prevention as well. It aids in the design of more sustainable satellites and rockets, ones that deorbit and disintegrate harmlessly at the end of their lifetimes, reducing the creation of new debris. With AI, we can not only predict and prevent potential collisions, but also work towards a future where space travel becomes more sustainable. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the growing issue of space debris, a collection of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from disintegration and collisions, all of which pose a significant threat to our vital space assets and the sustainability of space travel. But, as we've seen, there's a silver lining in the form of artificial intelligence. AI is stepping up to the plate, offering solutions that could help us tackle this issue head-on. With its ability to process huge amounts of data and make predictions, AI is proving instrumental in predicting potential collisions and enabling timely evasive actions. It's not just about mitigation, though. AI is also playing a pivotal role in devising preventive strategies to reduce the creation of debris in the first place. Space debris might be a growing problem, but with the help of AI, we are not only equipped to tackle it, but also to prevent it from escalating further. The future of space travel, it seems, lies in the hands of AI.